This is the backyard garden, and this has come a long way. Got some beautiful trees. That's a Japanese maple there, hebes, and all kinds of various shrubs that'll be blooming. And here, love what this turned out. This friend gave me some heather she didn't want, and they are gorgeous with these grasses. It used to be just lavender there, and pulled all that out. That looks over to the second oak tree. This has been evolving over the months, and it's really coming along. I am planning on putting a big magnolia there in the corner, and that's going to be coming in soon. This little guy is called Jetfire. This is a really cute little daffy. I'm going to get more of these. So fun. And there's also peonies in here.